Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another review for you. Do you guys need internet in your outbuilding, shed or garage, but don't want the hassle of running Ethernet cables underground? Maybe you run your own business from your garden shed and you need Wi-Fi for your CCTV security cameras, and perhaps just normal Wi-Fi isn't enough. Well, today I'm testing this AdaLov CPE882 Wi-Fi 6 outdoor wireless bridge. Let's get it unboxed and tested so that I can get good, strong, fast, reliable internet from my shed. Firstly, we just need to pull this tab out. Just push down and pull out, and it reveals the Ethernet connections. As you can see, we've got LAN 1, LAN 2, and they provide the same speeds. You can actually power this through the DC adapter or power over Ethernet, which is the method I'll be using. You also have your A and B switch here. So on your main adapter that's connected to your router inside your house wants to be on A, and the other one that'll be in your work shed or whatever needs to be on B. You'll also notice there's a button here, and clicking that will change different numbers, and I believe that each device has to be the same number to pair correctly. You then take your other box to your outside workstation or preferred place, and again I'm going to power this over Ethernet. So that's now connected. We're going to give it a few moments to boot up, and then I'm going to grab another Ethernet cable and I'm going to plug one end into the power adapter in the LAN port. So remember, this can be used by Wi-Fi or by LAN port connected to your computer. So of course I'm going to test the speed with it directly connected by LAN to computer. So now, if you're working in an office in your garden, you should be able to get strong internet connection without having to worry. No more loss of signal. Well, let's give it a speed test and see. We're all set up and ready to go. Obviously, depending on your internet provider and what you pay for is also going to determine your speeds, but as you can see, got a good stable speed there. So as you can see, I've got good stable internet for download and upload speeds. So guys, for whatever reason or your need to have internet outside your house, these are going to be perfect. Easy to set up. They're not going to break the bank. And they do an excellent job, as you can see. And remember, this comes with all your mounts, so you can mount it anywhere you like on your outdoor building or on the inside. Easy to put together. But for my needs, I didn't need to use this today. So if you're looking to get a stable connection outside your home for your garden, office or whatever it may be, then these are for you. I'm going to leave the product link in the description below, guys. Go check it out. You might also find a little discount code there too. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.